Breaking news in the cryptocurrency world. Ripple has just scored a major legal victory as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has dropped its appeal against the blockchain company. The announcement was made by Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, marking a crucial turning point not only for Ripple and XRP, but for the entire crypto industry. The battle between Ripple and the SEC has been ongoing for several years, shaping the landscape of digital asset regulations. The SEC had accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security, causing widespread uncertainty for investors and exchanges. However, with the latest development, Ripple can now move forward without the looming threat of regulatory action, providing a renewed sense of confidence in the broader crypto market. Why is this important? For years, Ripple and the SEC have been locked in a high-profile legal battle that has had significant implications for the crypto industry. The SEC's primary claim was that Ripple had sold XRP as an unregistered security, which led to a wave of uncertainty among investors, exchanges, and the broader market. Many exchanges delisted XRP, and institutional investors hesitated to engage with the asset due to regulatory concerns. Last year, a U.S. federal judge ruled that XRP is not a security when traded on secondary markets. This ruling was a significant milestone for Ripple and was already considered a win for the company and the cryptocurrency space. The SEC's appeal aimed to challenge this decision, but by dropping the appeal, the regulator has effectively conceded defeat. This means the case is now, for all intents and purposes, closed. The SEC's decision signals that the agency is stepping back from its aggressive stance against Ripple, which could have broader implications for the regulation of digital assets in the US. The crypto market reacted almost immediately to the announcement. Within minutes of Garlinghouse's statement, XRP's price soared by 9.15%, reaching approximately $2.49. This rapid increase reflects the growing confidence among investors who see this legal victory as a turning point for Ripple's future. Market analysts predict that this momentum could continue, as Ripple can now focus entirely on its expansion and adoption efforts without legal distractions. The removal of regulatory uncertainty opens doors for XRP to regain listings on more exchanges, attract institutional investors, and solidify its role in the digital payments ecosystem. With the lawsuit behind it, Ripple can now shift its attention to growth, innovation, and adoption of its technology. The company has long been a major player in cross-border payments and blockchain-based financial services. Without regulatory barriers, it is expected to expand partnerships with banks, payment providers, and other financial institutions. Additionally, this decision has a broader impact on the cryptocurrency industry. The SEC's withdrawal of its appeal indicates that regulatory clarity may be improving. This could set a precedent for future cases involving other digital assets, easing concerns for companies that are uncertain about US regulations. The victory also puts pressure on the SEC to adopt a more consistent and transparent approach to crypto regulation. Rather than pursuing lengthy lawsuits, the regulator may now shift toward establishing clearer guidelines for crypto businesses, exchanges, and investors. The announcement has been met with widespread enthusiasm across the crypto space. Industry leaders, analysts, and investors have taken to social media to celebrate Ripple's victory. Many see this as a significant moment not just for XRP, but for the entire digital asset ecosystem. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO. A monumental day for Ripple and XRP. The SEC's decision to drop its appeal confirms what we've known all along. XRP is not a security. This victory is for the entire crypto community fighting for fair regulation. David Schwartz, Ripple CTO. Regulatory clarity is finally on the horizon. This ruling benefits not just Ripple, but every crypto project seeking fairness in the industry. Crypto analysts. Many experts predict that XRP's price could see further gains as confidence returns and institutions show renewed interest in Ripple's technology. If you made it this far, we would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. We are on a mission for 1,000 subscribers by the end of June 2025. We can achieve that with your help. Okay, back to business. What's next for Ripple? With the lawsuit no longer a hindrance, Ripple is expected to accelerate its expansion efforts. Some key developments to watch include increased adoption, potential exchange relistings, new partnerships, broader crypto market impact. Final thoughts. The SEC's decision to drop its appeal marks a decisive win for Ripple, XRP, and the entire cryptocurrency industry. This victory not only clears Ripple's path for growth, but also sends a strong message about the evolving regulatory landscape for digital assets. XRP's price surge following the announcement is a testament to the renewed confidence in Ripple's future. With legal uncertainty now behind them, the company can focus on innovation, partnerships, and further integration of XRP in financial systems worldwide. For the broader crypto market, this outcome could serve as a catalyst for regulatory clarity and institutional adoption. The battle between Ripple and the SEC may be over, but the fight for fair and transparent crypto regulations continues. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are about this video, and we hope to see you by the next one.